Hi guys, it's been a while. I haven't posted a post analysis, but I'm back. I was busy recently, and also I'm also aware when not to trade and then go to trade. So my first mistake was around this. What day was it? Around that area. I took a trade around this price, which is around 0.0 no 0.02 around there, and at that point, it was, oh, I don't even know what price I was aiming at, but at that point, at that moment right there, at that day and the moment, it was reaching to $8 from there. And then the mistake of what I did was holding it, and I shouldn't hold it as a day trader. That was my mistake. What happened? Okay, so that was my mistake, was holding it, but around this price range I got out, but same time I was making profit from here. It was 200 something, but instead I didn't get out. I was holding it, and now I got only profit $50. But how did I feel? I feel pretty bad. I would have done better. um I would have done better. Honestly, I would have just get out and then wait for another opportunity just like this one. Okay, so yeah, waiting for this dropout. Once the dropout, I could tell this the sell is pretty strong, and the value was there. And then I would start reading here. The seller was kind of going for weak, and the buyer came up strong again. And I wonder if the buyer still come up from this area, this area zone. And then it came strong. Then it respawned some value from the seller, and it came weaker and weaker. And at this point, this area it shoot up, and I was just literally reading it, just reading it. See, so the buyer came strong, then the seller came really strong, and I'm still worried about it, and I didn't want to take any trade from there. So from there, I was looking at this area. It's okay. The seller is not doing anything. From at that point, the seller couldn't do anything. At that point, it pops. So I took a trade around this area, and then I drew alarm from this area. So just in case if it hit this part, I would just get out from there, and then just get out, but I don't lose. I think my stop loss was right here. And then my profit is supposed to be around here. So yeah, 1.27 ratio wins. So it's cool. I'm not complaining, but not complaining, but I was learning my mistakes. Stop holding and just stop holding, just in and out from there, and try to scale later on. But at that point was hitting that price, and it came down pretty strong. And by this point, I wasn't feeling it, so I took my profit and go because of this area, of this trap area over here of the seller. So yeah, I took my price on here, and from there they just start dropping. But now they're coming back. And I don't trust this one right now. Yes, it looked like I always have trouble of this area, and then this candle. What it do? It doesn't really promising that the price will go up from there. And I always have trouble with this doji right there, like going down, and feel like it's gonna come back, and then go from there. Yeah, that's my post analysis. I was reading on it, and then it was pop, and I got in from this area, and I just got out from the zone. Yeah, it was my post analysis pretty late, but I had to post this just to build progress, and I should just continue posting. But thank you for watching. If you have any advice, please let me know. I do need advice because I work my job too. At least I wake up at around 6, get ready around 6 something. I feel I only have 30 minutes to play my market, but I'm playing the 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I feel like I didn't have time to go for it unless I had to wake up every morning of 3 a.m. just to prepare, just do my diligence from there. But yeah, I recently I didn't really have time to go trade. So what I did is just if I see anything I could trade, if I don't see anything, I don't trade from there. If it doesn't make sense, I don't trade. But definitely my mistake was holding this was a big mistake. But at the same time, from the MPA, I understand this is a zone to get out because that range they create from there. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please give me a feedback, and thank you.